Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create pop-ups on WordPress. The first thing you want to do once on your WordPress admin page, you are going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you are going to hover over plugins. Then you are going to tap on Add New. Once you have tapped on Add New, you'll be redirected to this page. And I want you to tap on the search bar right here and you're going to type in pop-up. Once you have typed in pop-up, you're going to see numerous apps that you can use. As you can see right here, you have pop-up, you have social media share buttons, and you have numerous other options. A popular one is Popped-in. So you could select Popped-in, or you could scroll down and you can select another option. But for this example, we will be using Popped-in. So you are going to simply tap on it. Then you could select Install Now. Then give it a few seconds for the plugin to be installed. Once it has been installed, you are going to tap on Activate. And once it has been activated, I'll now show you how to edit the plugin. So you are going to sign up. So all you'll need to do is enter your email address, then tap on sign up, and you can see that the sign up is for free. Then tap on go to your dashboard. Once you have tapped on go to your dashboard, you will be redirected to a new page, and all you have to do now is enter your first and last name and create a password. So let me do that real quick. Then you'll create a password. So you can create a password real quick. Then from there, you can tap right here. Then select website owner and you can select the current traffic. Then select get started. And then after that, we are going to be using the free plan. So I'll tap on select plan right below free. Then after you have done that, you will be redirected to this page and what is your goals. So from there, you can select whether you would like to get more leads, increase sales, announcements, or grow email lists, or gamified pop-up. You can select any one of these options. But I'll select show all templates right now. Then after you have done that, you are going to scroll down. And from there, you can see all templates that you can use. So for example, all you need to do is tap on preview over the template that you'd like to use. You can see how this one looks at the moment, and you can scroll down and you can see the different templates. So all you need to do now is simply tap on Lightbox. Once you have tapped on Lightbox, you could select preview and you can see how this pop-up looks right there. Or if you would like to use this pop-up depending on the type of WordPress website that you have, if you'd like to use this one, all you'll have to do is tap on it. I definitely like this one, so I'm going to tap on customize. Once you have selected customize, you can enter the pop-up name. Then from there, you're going to add your domain name. So all you'll need to do is go back onto your website and you could simply copy your domain name right here. So all you'll need to do is hover over my blog. Then you would right click on visit site and you're going to copy your domain name right here, or your URL. Then you would go back into Popped-in and you're going to paste it right here. So let me paste it real quick. Then you'll tap on customize Popped-in. After you have tapped on customize Popped-in, you'll be redirected to this page on which you'll be able to edit your pop-up. So the first thing I want you to pay attention to is the left-hand menu option. And you can see on submit button. You could tap on click to if you would like to click it to something, this button right here. Or if you would like it to lead to the thank you screen, you could simply select thank you. So once someone enters their email address, they will be redirected to another page that says thank you. But if you would like to link it, all you'll have to do is tap on link to. Then from there, you can enter the URL that you would like to redirect them to right here in this box right here. And you also have other editing options by scrolling down. You can also change the color of the box. So if you would like to change the hover color, all you have to do is tap on the box right there. And let's say I would like to change it to blue. I could do that by simply tapping on that. So now once someone hovers over the box, you can see that it automatically changes to blue right there. And you can scroll down, you can change the background color if you want. You can also add border if you want, and if you would like to add shadow, you could do that. There are numerous designs that you can use. And by scrolling down, you can also edit the timer countdown. So you could tap right here. So when would the countdown start? If you would like to select a specific date and time, you can do that. Or you want it to start as soon as the pop-up appears, you can do that. And you can also set how long should the minutes be. So if you would like it to be, instead of a 5-minute countdown, let's say I want it to be 4 minutes, I can do that right there. And if you would like to add any other elements, all you'll have to do is tap on the element that you would like to add. So if you'd like to add another button, you could add it right there. If you would like to add an image, all you'll have to do is tap on image and pull it where you would like to add it. If you would like to add a video, you can also do that. If you would like to add an HTML code, or if you would like to add a coupon, you can also do that. You can add basically any element if you want. And if you would like to add more fields, all you'll have to do is tap on add field, and you'll be able to add more fields from there. And you can also set up your email and integrations by simply tapping on email integrations right there. And you can choose the email address that you would like to receive it. Or if you would like to do email marketing and you would like to add MailChimp or so on, all you'll have to do is tap on add integrations right here to integrate Poptin with MailChimp. Once everything is to your liking, you're going to tap on mobile right here so you can see how it would look on a mobile device. So let me do that real quick, and you can see how it would look right here. So this is how it would look on a mobile. And if everything is okay, you're going to tap on next in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on next, just give it a few seconds to load up. You can see how the pop-up looks right there. Then from here you can set the display rules. You will see display triggers right there, whether you would like it to display manually. So you can choose the trigger that will launch your pop-up. So you can see time delay, so it will display after 5 seconds of them being on a page. If you would like to cut it down, and let's say it be 1 second, so as soon as someone goes on a page, it will automatically be displayed. Let me cut it down to 1 second. You could do that also. Or if you'd like it to display when someone scrolls down or up, you can do that. Or when they click on something, or whenever they are not clicking on anything, you can select that also. And if you would like the pop-up to only be displayed on desktop, you could simply toggle off mobile. If you would like it to be displayed on mobile alone, you could do that. Or if you would like the pop-up to only be shown in certain areas, like for example only on certain pages, you can select the pages that you would like it to be shown on right there. And how often would you like it to be displayed? You can choose the display frequency right here. If you only want it to be displayed once a day for each visitor, you could do that. Once everything is to your liking, you're going to scroll back up and you're going to select publish in the top right hand corner. Then you can see right here, great job, you successfully created your first pop-up. So all you'll need to do now is simply close out right here, and you can see that the pop-up is now live. As you can see right there, my first pop-up is now live. And to view it, all I'll need to do is go back onto my website. So let me go back onto my website real quick and see if the pop-up appears. So you can see that I'm on my website, and you can see that it automatically appears, and you can see that the countdown has now started. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. And by the way, if you would like to create different pop-up styles, you can do that. All you'll need to do is tap on new pop-up, and then from there you can create different pop-up styles if you want. Or if you would like to add an announcement bar, you could simply tap on bar right there. If you would like to add a slide in, you could do that also. Hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.